Before this video starts, I quickly wanted to mention that today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators with more than 22,000 classes in videography, productivity, photography, and more. Their photography category features lots of amazing classes taught by top-of-the-line photographers. Right now, I've been watching the Mobile Photography Basics for Instagram Success by Tyson Wheatley. I'm gonna go on a really big Europe trip soon, so I really need to learn how to use my phone camera a little bit better, and this course features a lot of really great tips. Premium membership begins at around $10 a month, but for the first 250 people to sign up with the link in the description, you will get 2 months of Skillshare for free. These spots typically go quite quickly, so make sure to get in there. Hey guys, Irene here. Today we're doing another behind the scenes video. I'm back in Canada where it's cold and a lot of snow, but it's also beautiful in a way. So today we're shooting outside and we have two beautiful models, Leena and Paige. How old are you guys? No.
I'm 15.
15?
8.
And 8. Okay, so we're gonna be doing some really cute pictures in the snow. I'm gonna leave all the information about their outfits in the description down below. I didn't style this shoot today. Leena's mom styled it, and she's also an amazing photographer. I'll leave everyone's links in the description down below. And yeah, we're shooting, what's the time right now? Almost like 1:32. The sun is gonna go down at 4. It sets really quickly in the winter time. So yeah, we have about an hour to shoot. So yeah, let's just get started. So when I started shooting, I actually had a lot of trouble finding a spot that I really liked. The lighting that day was very flat, and it's probably my least favorite type of natural lighting. In combination with the model's outfits being quite dark and a lot of branches in the background being really dark, I felt like the images were a little bit too contrasting for my taste and didn't have enough depth. Some will probably argue that I could have brought a flash with me or some kind of additional lighting to make the model pop from the background, but as you guys know, I'm just not really a big fan of that look for my personal style, so I was just determined to find a location that would look a little bit more flattering, and also we decided to change an outfit for something a little bit less contrasting with the snow. So finally, I found a spot that I really liked by the spruce tree. It gave me a nice depth, and I shot these images backlit. Although the sun is behind the clouds, it was kind of coming out from time to time and was giving me a really nice effect. Yeah, just don't go too far. Kind of like, no, not too far. Just kind of like right over here. Yeah, exactly. I just want like a branch in there. Yes, that looks really cute. Really cute. I just want to still see her mittens or her hands just so they don't get too hidden in the scarf. Got a hair all in your mouth. Yeah, because this is a very cute one. So yeah, oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Yeah, and you know what? I like this spot a lot better too. Oh, that's adorable. Don't be afraid to just kind of like move and be cute. Yeah. Oh, how cute. Awesome. Oh, I love that. Yes. Oh my God, throw this. If you throw the snow from the other side and then she looks out that way.
You're gonna look up there.
And I loved when you were just like smiling like that. Yes, that was really cute. And what if she holds this more like that? The scarf?
Over her arm.
Yeah, and I loved when you were just kind of smiling like this, and then the snow is gonna go from your back, and then you're gonna be looking this way. Oh, it's so adorable. Oh, how cute. That's cute. Yeah, let's give her the snow to blow. Okay, so I have to be prepared for this one.
Wait till she's ready.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, go ahead. Oh, it worked. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, you just have to blow really hard.
Blow hard. Go. I got the bird cage.
What if you just hold this branch? Yeah, just kind of hold it. Yeah.
And wiggling.
Yeah, yeah. Just toss my glove. Yeah, that's really cute. And look at me. And look here at me. And eyes at me, Leena.
Say guys, I have to get
Oh, that's so pretty. That's so cute. Okay, let's get Paige in here. Leena, warm up. Whew. I'm getting a little bit cold now. My hands. Whew. I should get those self-heating gloves. Get again just a little bit closer over here. Yeah, like this. And just kind of turn around this way and kind of like more smiling and like cute. Yes, exactly. Yes. Yes, that's adorable. Because yeah, this outfit is more cute than the other one. So it's like you can smile here. Oh, I love that. I wonder if I can like...
Can you try to set up a food brand?
Or you know what, sometimes if I can just like do this, yeah, you see? Okay. That's the thing. If it snaps back at you. But it's really pretty right now. Like, honestly, it looks so cute. No, can we give her mittens too? So she can throw some snow? So it's so funny how the pictures are like, you know, like happy and like snow, but on the inside you're like freezing, freezing cold. We'll try again the blowing the snow first. So when you're blowing it, also try to look at me and try not to do like too much or like,
Yeah.
you know. So grab some nice like fluffy snow on the top. Try to keep it a little bit lower. Yeah. And smile while you're doing. Yes, yes, like that.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, here we go. Go just a tiny bit more this way. Yes, yeah. Oh, I love that. That pose is beautiful. And grab this hair and swing it at the back a little bit. Yeah, and then do that again with your shoulder.
Bring it back.
For a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it now.
All right, let's get Leena in there and then we'll be done. Just go and hug her like this. Yeah. Yes. Oh, you see, that's adorable. Oh my God, that looks so cute. That's adorable. Oh, I love it, you guys. Yeah, and here smiling. Yes. Yes, you see, that's so much cuter.
Outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all these Christmas with
So, okay, I want a different pose with them. What if, actually, Leena, stay like that and kind of hold her again like this, how you were doing. Yes, I'm gonna get just a closer shot. So, Paige, go a little bit more on the side with your face. So, kind of almost like you put, yes, like that. Yes, and close your eyes, Paige, and Leena, you look straight at me in the camera and really smile, like big. And just keep your chin just a little bit lower here, but not this.
Rest it on her edges, yeah.
And don't, what if you put your hair, okay, like this, Leena? Like this?
There you go. Then it lets you down that good.
Oh, so adorable.
And keep your eyes big and bright.
That's it. This is the shot, Paige, and rest your chin, yeah. And smile, Paige, a little bit, yeah. So rest your chin, yes. And smile, like, so not like this, just like, yeah.
It's Christmas. Outside's now.
Oh, that's it. Leena smiling, like really big smile, Leena. Yes, like that, Leena. That's adorable. Oh my God, how adorable. Like this, Leena. What if you put one hand over her like this with your scarf?
Okay.
Like this, yeah. Yeah, I love how like you're both like tucked into the scarf, you know, you're like, you know, protecting her with the scarf, yeah.
Oh, pants here.
I do want Leena's hand to be seen, maybe like this over here, and then Paige, you again, you kind of like, and Leena, where's your hand? What if, put your hand over here from the other side, from on top over here.
And don't.
This is good, as long as I see at least one hand, yes. And then Paige, oh yeah, you have the hand over there, yes.
Right.
Oh, so cute. So pull her more like this, yeah, so that Leena's not like falling onto you too much, yes. Oh, so cute.
Here is what the image looked like without my snow overlay, and if you're interested to know how I made this snow overlay, I do have a tutorial on it, and I will leave that link in the description down below.
Okay.
What if Paige is sitting and Leena is more, yeah, what if Leena is more kind of like this, kneeling and like kind of hugging her from the back almost, you know what I mean? But I don't want her too covered, so like if she does it like literally like this and then goes like that, you know?
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, you're fine. I don't want to fall because I'm like leaning this way.
Yes. Adorable. Leena, you're leaning onto her too much a little bit. So Paige, straighten up just a little bit more. Yeah, that's beautiful. I want to, again, hear more fun, more like smiling. Yeah. Oh, how cute. Oh, yeah, Paige, look like that again, like you did. All right, so we just finished our photo shoot. I feel like I look like one of the kids. We just finished our photo shoot and you guys did so amazing. It's really cold and both of you braved the cold and looked so cute. Looked like you had a lot of fun. So thank you so much. Again, I'll leave everyone's links in the description down below if you guys want to check them out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.